Lesson 5-4, using an open number line to add up on it. So instead of subtracting and hopping back, we're actually going to add up on the number line. So rather than starting at 41 and hopping back 19, we're actually going to start on the opposite end of this number line and start with 19, which eventually we need to get to 41. So we know we're going from 19 to 41. So the first thing you want to do when you do open number line, adding up on the open number line, you put the 2, put the minuend and the subtrahend. Minuend, subtrahend, 19, 41. We're going from 19 to 41. We've got to figure out our path. It's like walking along in the woods. We're going through a maze, a corn maze, Halloween. You have to figure out how to get from 19 to 41, and all of your numbers up here is going to be the difference. So I'll show you a couple different strategies on how to do this. First one, take a 19, get to the nearest 10. Plus 1 gets me to 20. Now, I'm taking 20, I got to get to 41. So plus 10 is 30. Not there yet. Plus 10 is 40. Still not there, I'm at 40. I need to get from 40 to 41. How many do I have left? One more hop. Plus 1. So let's just double check. 19 plus 1 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. Wow, look at that. Now, my difference is not 41, because 41 is here. It's not 19. It's 1, 10, 10, 1. 10 plus 10 is 20. 1 plus 1 is 2. And my difference is 22. So the difference in today's strategy is you're writing down the minuend, the subtrahend, and you're finding the difference between those two numbers by adding up. You choose the path, whatever makes the most sense to you, how to get there. Let's try another one. 63 minus 34. First step, we need to get to 63 from 34. We're starting at 34. We're trying to get to 63. First step, I'll show you the similar method. Similar method. I want to get 34 to the nearest 10. When it's 58 or 46, it's pretty close. It's 4 away. This is pretty far away. 34, I'd have to have 6 more to get to 40. I'm not going to do that this time. I'm just going to add 10s and get as close as I can without going over. It's like the Price is Right. 34 plus 10 is 44. I didn't go over. Plus 10 more. 54. If I do 10 more, it'll be 64. Can't do it. Now I got to get from 54 to 63. $55, $56, $57. So there's 55 plus 1, 56, 57. Another plus 1, 58, 59. 60, 61, 62, and there's 63. So I should have in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gets a little jumbled because I have big 10s here. That's another way to do it. This one is a second option. You could go 10 and 10 and then count up by ones. You could have gone counting by ones and then the 10s and then the ones again. Entirely up to you. I'll show you that way again. So, counting it now, I have 10 and 20. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29. The difference is all the numbers on top of your number line. 83 minus 58, open number line, using addition, adding up to find the difference. First step, stick your minuend and your subtrahend on the number line. Minuend, that's where I need to end up. Subtrahend, that's where I'm starting. So starting at 58, this is logically closest to a 10. So I'm going to go plus 1, 5960. Talking to myself, making a lesson on the, well, hopefully. So I got to 60 by plus 2. Now 60, I can start by my 10s. Plus 10, 70, plus 10, 80. Now from 80 to 83 is pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 81, 82, 83. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 81, 82, 1, 2, 3. Gets me there. Let's count it up. 2 10s, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one down here, number 8, I'm going to give these for independent practice. I want you to try 2 on your own, 6 and 7. So if you want to pause the video now and try these 2, 6 and 7, go ahead and give it a shot. What you want to do, 72 goes here, 34 goes here, 74 goes here, 46 goes here, and get from 46 to 74. Figure out the best path. You can use the Hunter's chart and draw your path on there. But you just have to write the numbers above it because that's what you're going to be adding up to figure out your difference. This one you don't have to use open non-line if you don't want to, but 34 minus 18. It says Rob had 34 snowballs. Some melted, now he has 18. 34, 18, same idea. Started 18, try to get up to 34. Here you're going to try to get to 72 from 34. And here you're going to go 46 to 74. Make sure you fill these 3 in at some point and get those done. You flip it over. Add up to solve each problem, use an open number line, write the equations. Step 1. It says Dino has 41 crayons. He gives 23 crayons to Bridget. That's the step 1. 41 minus 23 equals. Starting at 23, going to 41. That's your first step. To figure out this first step, 23, I'm going to add 7 to get it to 30. I'm going to add 10 to get it to 40. I'm going to add 1 more to get it to 41. 7, 10, plus 7, plus 1 is 18. So now my second step in 41 crayons. Gave 23 to Bridget, it's my first step. Now he gives 7 crayons to Dan. I've got 18 here, and she gives 7 to Dan. How many are left? Well, 7 to 18. You try to figure out how you get 7 to 18. Plus 3 gets me to 10. 10 to 18. Plus 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Did that one for you. You're on your own for adding up to solve 46 minus 25. If you're going to get to 46, 25, get from 25 to 46. Using adding up to get to that, your equation is going to be 46 minus 25. You need to find a solution. And then 2 ways down here, we talked about both ways. I'll do these with you as a quick review. 72 minus 35, I'm starting at 35. I need to get to 72. I'm starting at 35. I need to get to 72. First way you could do it is plus 5 gets me to 40. I need to get to 70. 50, 10 more. 60, 10 more. 70, 10 more. And then 2 quick counts. 71, 72, plus 1, plus 1. 71, and there's 72. 10, 20, 30. 35, 36, 37. So I know that 72 minus 35 is equal to 37. A different way to do it. Just go right to the 10s. 10 is 45. 10 is 55. 10 is 65. Can't do another 10, I would go to 75. I need to go from 65 to 72. And that's just mental math. You could do it two ways. You could do a hot break in between and say plus 5 is equal to 70. And they go 1, 2, 71, 72. So now you've got 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. Double check. That's right. On your own, number 11, number 6, number 7, number 8.